Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. It's July 14th, Tuesday, 2026. It's a nice, cool morning this morning. We're out and about a little bit earlier than many days. Just finished playing the daily fore, my pre-vlog, coffee and golf. You can check that out. There's a link in the description and the pinned comment, along with today's pinned question. So go check those out, and if you want, go check those out. And yeah, one more day. Family arrives tomorrow. It's just me and the kids at home, and the dog, and the cat. And we're getting out here and doing some walking this morning because still got some stuff to do at home. I want to try to build the new step. I'm going to test my carpentry skills today. I'm going to test them. I'm going to test my tarpentry. I think I'm still getting used to talking with these teeth because sometimes things just don't come out the way they're supposed to. Yeah. All right, let's get cracking. Still open. Plywood removed. It was laying on the ground. Very bizarre. That place is coming along. A nice view over the derelict buildings here. Quite peaceful out here this morning so far. And I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Next thing on my wish list is the DJI Mic 2. I think that'll be the next upgrade to my collection of vlogging equipment. That's my plan. But like everything, it's so damn expensive, man. Anyways, I do have a buy me a coffee account in the description there, and if you feel like donating to the cause, helping me fuel these adventures, so to speak, toss me a toonie. That's a Canadian $2 coin for all my American friends. We got toonies and loonies. Uh-huh. Cherries. 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 I feel like something is looking at me. I feel like I'm being watched. Did I say loop completed already, Byla? I don't remember. Loop completed. Rick, let's go. Where are you going? Better document this as proof. See? I'm watering your stuff, Natasha. I'm watering your stuff. See? I'm doing it. Try this again. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. It's like right there, buddy. There you go. Good job. Oh my goodness, you're nuts. Give me it. Drop it. Now, I think it's time to all right, a couple new boards on there. Good as ever. Fixed the hose down there. Good as ever. Ocean sprinkler. Watered everything. Watered all the plants. They're all watered. Everything's watered. The plants are all watered. I hope. I gotta eat. Marty, the trail cam. I am in the car. I am in the car with Byla. Byla's in the car. And Tenley, the Terrifier's in the car. Tenley, the Terrifier's in the car. We're going for a walk. We're going for a walk. Second walk of the day, Byla. Second walk of the day. And we got a special guest with us. The Terrifier. So we haven't been down here at the playground forever, but the Teeter-Totter's gone. The Teeter-Totter is gone. The Teeter-Totter's gone. Well, we got new benches. We got new benches. We got new benches all around, but the Teeter-Totter's gone. Somebody stole the Teeter-Totter. Used to be right there. Now we got two disc thingies to stand on. Trip over and face plant into the pebbles.
I tripped on the kidnapped Teeter-Totter.
Yeah. What do you see, Byla? You see a squirrel? You see a squirrel? You see a squirrel? Squirrel? I don't see no squirrel. She's looking for a squirrel. Shall we keep walking?
Maybe.
Should we try the slides? Swings?
Sure.
Okay. Let's go. Byla doesn't seem to mind the swing. Look at her. She's having fun.
She's smiling.
She is. Good job, Byla. Good job.
Whoa, I made it.
Whoa.
Holy shit, I made it. Oh my god.
You're not gonna go down that, are you?
Sure. It's actually kind of scary from how fast it is.
Walk on through to the other side. Walk on through to the other side, yeah. Walking through to the other side.
Go!
Oh. Now that was an adventure. Tenley and I are wandering back alleys. We found this bush. See how big that bush is? See, there's Byla, so you got something to compare to how big that bush is. We're wondering, what are these? What kind of berries are these? If you know, let us know in the comments below. Snow be a meltin'. The snow be a meltin'. Oops, my finger's in the way. We found the cutest little birdie house ever. I love it. Oh, there's two of them down there. What are they doing behind that thing?
I love when the birds call.
Yeah, it looks funny, doesn't it? I was just thinking the exact same thing when he hopped off. All right, Tenley the Terrifier and I are done our walk, and Byla too. Yeah, Byla too. All right, heading home now.
Okay.
All right, my friends, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's fiasco, thumbs up would be appreciated. Subscribing is free. And that's it, I guess. Have a great day. Hey.